Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a brand new feature that we added in recently that could absolutely help you change your entire workflow. Custom client statuses. Let's get into it. Alright, now that we're signed in, let's talk about custom client statuses. Essentially, this allows you to keep better track of the client journey as they go through different steps in your CRM. Let's have a look at what they look like and what are some potential things that you can do with custom client statuses. If we navigate into settings from here and we go into accounts, you'll be able to see all the client statuses that we have available. By default, we have contact, lead, client, and client team. I've gone ahead and added this contacted one just as an example here to show you what it looks like. Whenever you click on any one of these statuses, you're going to see the status ID. This is going to come in extremely handy if you set some automations up, for example in Zapier. So let me give you a quick example of how this could work. Let's say you have a lead that you'd like to get in touch with. You'd navigate into clients, add a client account for them from here, set them up, and then you'd be able to easily contact them by going into tickets from here and clicking on add ticket from this dropdown. Once you've typed out the message that you want to send out and selected the client, you can go ahead and click on add ticket. This is going to put you directly into the ticket. So now that you've sent them the message, you can go into Michael's account here, click on edit, and move their client account status into contacted instead, which is definitely going to help you keep better track of the client journey as they go. Let's take this up a notch and go into Zapier automations that you could create with this kind of flow. I've gone ahead and created a very simple Zapier automation here, which fills up a row in a spreadsheet on Google Sheets whenever a new client signs up. To take this a little bit further and use the client statuses that I'm talking about from earlier, you could add some kind of filter that checks what client status the client has and deposits it into the right sheet accordingly. There are a lot of automations that you can set up with our Zapier triggers, so it would be impossible for me to show you many examples, but this gives you the gist of the idea. And now, to give you a better idea of how this would work, let's go ahead and test this Zap that I've set up to see if it finds some information or not. With the test complete here, you can see that Zapier found some sample data that I've put into our workspace. The way this specific Zap would work is that if a new client is created with the client status ID number 3, then they're going to get deposited straight into this Google Sheet here. Hopefully this new feature helps you set up some cool automations with Zapier and manage your CRM better internally within SPP. If you have any questions about custom client statuses or anything else that you need help with on SPP, feel free to reach out to us at support@spp.co. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video, and I hope you have an awesome day.